Hello students, welcome to Pythonically. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use if and elif statements to implement multiple conditions in your Python code. So if you have multiple conditions and you want to execute different piece of codes depending upon the conditions, you can use if, elif and else statements. So this is best explained with the help of an example. Suppose you have a product and the price of the product is $100. So price is equal to 100, and depending upon the age of the customer, you want to give different discounts. So you want that if the age of the customer is greater than 20 and less than 40, give him a discount of 10%. So if age is greater than 20 and age is less than 40, in that case, give the customer a discount of $10. So since the original price is 100, we can simply subtract 10 from the original price. So price is equal to price minus 10. Else, if the age is not between 20 and 40, in that case, elif age is greater than 39 and age is less than 59. So age is between 40 and 59, age is from 40 to 59. In that case, give the discount of 20%. So price equal to price minus 20. Else, if the age is between 60 greater than 59 and age is less than 79, in that case give a discount of 40%. So price is equal to price minus 40. Else, if all these conditions are false, in that case give no discount or give a discount of 5%. Price is equal to price minus 5. So let's first assign age variable a value of 25 and see what happens. We also want to print the value of the price. The final price is price. So the age is 25. This statement checks if the age is between 20 and 40. Since the age is between 20 and 40, because the age is 25, this script will execute and the price of the age variable will be decremented by 10 or decreased by 10. So the final price is 90. If the price is 45, then you will see 80 in the output. As you can see, the final price is now 80. If the price is between 60 and 80, that is 67, then you will see a decreased price of 40% and the price will be 60. And in case if the price is really low, the age is really low, for instance 15, in that case you will only see a discount of 5%. So you can see the final price is 95. So this is how basically you can use if, elif and else statements to implement multiple conditional logics to execute different piece of code based on that logics. So this is how if and elif statements are executed in Python. If you like the video, click the like button. If you want to ask any question, you can post it in the comment section. And I would like that you subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making more videos for you. Thank you for watching.